Hi guys, I'm going to do two examples for the Polynomial Long Division Level 5. There's just one thing that you just need to know as you're going through these ones that make them just a little bit harder, or I guess you're just adding one additional step, all right? So we're going to set this up. Our divisor is x plus 3, right? Our dividend, we have negative 3x cubed. Now you should notice that you're missing an x squared term. All right, so again, we write polynomials in standard form. So what you're going to do, this is your extra step, you're just going to fill in your missing exponent term, all right? So we're missing an x squared, so we're just gonna add 0x squared, all right? And then, are we missing anything else? No, so we're just rewriting what we are originally given, all right? That's really it for this section. So you just have to make sure that you're filling in that missing term with that missing exponent. Now it looks just like the level 4 version. I'm going to go a little bit faster in terms of just going through these. If you need more of a broken down explanation, watch the level 4 version of this, all right? So negative 3x squared is what we're going to multiply to x to give us negative 3x cubed. Then we have a negative 9x squared. Take that. Now we're subtracting. Again, remember, you want these to be the same sign as your quotient, all right? So then this way, when you subtract, you would get opposite signs. So because I have now this feature, I'm going to use a different color to notate my sign, all right? So you can either do your signs with different colors, or you can just do the erase and replace version, all right? So these two will cancel out. That's what we want. And we're just left with 9x squared. And we bring down what we didn't use. All right, so what can I multiply to x to get me a positive 9x squared? Well, a positive 9x. Okay, 9x squared, and then plus 27x, all right? Parentheses, subtraction sign, change my sign, so this will become negative, and this will become negative, all right? All right, so these terms will cancel out. Then we have a negative 1x plus 2, and then that's our kind of where are we at? So x, multiply that to negative 1 to give me my negative 1x. So negative 1x minus 3, and then go ahead, parentheses, minus sign, signs, switch them, so this becomes positive, and this becomes positive. Right? That cancels out, and then 5 is your remainder. So we're going to go ahead and write that out. Here is our quotient, squared plus 9x minus 1, plus 5 all over our divisor x plus 3. So we're going to go ahead and fill that in. Negative 3x squared plus 9x minus 1 plus 5 divided by x plus 3. Okay, submit, press yes. Nice. All right, so here is our example with the trinomial as your divisor. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up. Okay, so this is going to be our second example. So we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Dividend is 3x to the 4th plus 5x cubed plus 13x squared, plus 17x minus 15. All right, no terms are missing, so you don't have to fill in anything. All right, so we're just going to go right into it. So this x squared, because 3 times 1 will give you the 3. You don't need to write the 1, so it'll just be x squared, so 3x to the 4th. That'll give you a plus 5x to the 3rd. Then you have negative 2x squared. All right, here we go. Minus sign. I'm going to use a different color. This stays negative. This becomes negative, and this becomes positive. All right, go ahead and add straight down. Well, this term cancels out. So does this term. Oh, so something is so complex is actually pretty nice and easy. All right, so what do we have left over? We have 15x squared plus 17x minus 15. All right, so here, since you missed this term, really, you can actually put in that placeholder as plus 0x if you would like. You don't need that there. All right, but it helps you to sort of kind of make sure that you distributed your quotient to your divisor to go through each of these terms in your dividend. All right, so now we're here at 15x squared. Well, 5 times 3 gives you 15. All right, so the minus comes later. So 15x squared plus 25x minus 10, parentheses, minus sign, line. All right, this stays negative, this becomes negative, this becomes positive, right? So this cancels out. Of course, that's what we want. 25 minus 17, so that is going to become x, and then this is going to become negative 5. And then that should be our remainder. So our answer is x squared plus 5. Again, you don't need to write that filler. I'm pretty positive Deltamath will take it. All right. Plus, again, put your remainder in parentheses when you plug it into Deltamath, and 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. All right, we're going to go ahead and type that in. X squared plus 5 plus parentheses negative 8x minus 5, close parentheses, / button 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Double check your signs with what you're given. Double check your work. Press submit. All right. Again, most common mistakes will come from your signs, because if your signs are wrong, then obviously when you're adding straight down or combining, then your new numerical value would be wrong. All right. Hope this helps. Have a great day, guys. Bye.